Hello, welcome to another tutorial video. Today we're gonna show you how to run a Python file using our SDK. So first, let's go to AUBO Developer. Go under Develop, Manual, and you'll see there's a lot of topic to explore. Today we're interested in just running the files, so let's go to Download and Installation. Here, you'll download the SDK package. This is the code file that you're gonna run. Make sure you choose last modified and then go to the very bottom to get the latest package. So I have already downloaded the package. And next, you're gonna download AUBO SDK files. So you can go in and use the installer method. For me, I'm gonna choose method 2. I'm just gonna use the command to install our AUBO SDK. And next, you want an idler to edit your code and run your files. So for me, I choose PyCharm. This is the most straightforward idler for Python, and it's also free. You also want to download Python, so you can just search Python release for Windows and choose this option. And then under here you can see the stable version is 3.13 and 3.14, but for our SDK, it requires you to have a Python version between 3.6 and 3.12. So you can find like 3.12 and then just go to any 3.12 and then download the installer and install Python. And once you have PyCharm, Python, and the SDK package, we can start running this. So first, let's extract our programs. Going to share example Python. Then this is our sample code. Next, let's open PyCharm and then open this exact same folder. So for me, it's download. Going to share example and open up Python. Yeah, you see all the example files right here. And we open this up. Yeah, so today we're gonna just use MoveJ. This one is very straightforward, and it also has a visual demonstration on the virtual machine later. And in here, you only need to change your robot IP. So we're gonna fire up our virtual machine later, but for now, we're gonna set up our dependencies because I didn't use an installer. I want to install our AUBO SDK. And most of the time when you're using Python, usually you see that when you're installing Python, there's a lot of versions. And if you're also working on other projects, it might have some package conflict. And this is why I want to use a virtual machine right now to showcase. And you see you can create a virtual machine and select the Python version that you're using. So for me, I'm using 3.12, and then create a new virtual machine and then activate the virtual machine. And you see that I'm currently in my virtual machine. There's a my.env. And then in here, I have everything installed, but I'll just showcase it. So you're gonna upgrade your pip first. It'll say successful install your pip. And then I'm gonna install our AUBO SDK. And then see a successfully install AUBO SDK. Usually there's like a progress bar here, but because I already installed everything, it's pretty fast. And now all we're missing is our robot IP address. And we are gonna open up VMware. If this is the first time you're opening VMware, you can check out how to install AUBO ARCS in another installation guide. And if this is the first time that you're using our SDK, make sure you come here, edit virtual machine setting, go to network adapter, and make sure you're choosing NAT instead of bridge or other. This will give us an IPv4 address that we can put into our code. And power on. It'll take some time to load the virtual machine, so feel free to skip this little segment in the video. Oh, and here's the command if you're still setting up. Once it starts up, it should have a connect button. I have auto connect selected, so just auto connect and show disconnect. But normally you'll just come here, you can use auto connect, and then this will be a connect button. And you connect your robot, power it on. It'll ask you for a serial number, but because this is a simulation, just choose later. And then start the robot. And your robot can move around. And to get the robot's IP address, let's go back to home, go to settings up here, go to system, go to LAN network port, and you'll grab your IP address under LAN. For mine is 192.168.140 and 128. So you're just gonna change your robot IP here to your IP address. And your IP address is probably different than my IP address, so make sure to check out your IP address right over here. And to showcase that the code is running, I'm gonna just make this a half screen. And yep, we change our IP, we successfully install our packages, and now we can go under here and we can just say Python. Yeah, make sure we're in Python, yep. And we can just execute this. Example move j.py. So it says it's connected successfully, and it'll move to the first waypoint, the second waypoint, and the third waypoint. Yeah, we can do it again. So this command, it's running sample code. So this will be Python, and then this will be kind of like your file name here. So for this example, it will just be example move j.py. Yeah, copy this, paste it, and run it. Yep. And it'll be the same process for all other example files. Make sure you change your IP address, and then you can just run it in your virtual machine. Playing here won't work because you have to configure interpreter in another way, but that will kind of like mess up my system like I said before. And running a virtual machine avoids that problem. And thank you for watching.